Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the Prowise Magnesium Glycinate review to see if it's a legitimate health boost or just another elaborate scam to part you from your money. This supplement is marketed to anyone struggling with muscle cramps, sleep issues, or low energy, which, let's be honest, is basically everyone with a job and a smartphone. It's been gaining serious traction lately, mostly because it claims to be a gentle, well-absorbed form of magnesium. In the world of supplements, gentle is usually marketing speak for it won't give you immediate, regretful bathroom emergencies. Prowise is a UK-based brand that's managed to stay in the green by selling things people actually want, like their best-selling magnesium glycinate complex. This particular product combines 4 different types of magnesium because apparently, one single form isn't enough to handle our high-maintenance modern lives. Users generally report feeling less like a zombie after a few weeks, noting improved sleep and fewer muscle cramps. The reviews on sites like Amazon and Judge.me are surprisingly positive, with people claiming it helps with everything from post-workout recovery to general anxiety. It's nice to know a pill can do what 8 hours of sleep and a therapist can't. Of course, no product is perfect, and the main gripe here is that the tablets are a bit on the large side. If you have the throat capacity of a sword swallower, you'll be fine, but everyone else might find them a bit daunting to get down. Despite the size, the consensus is that the product actually works. There's no evidence of a scam here. The brand follows UK manufacturing practices, which means they actually have to follow safety rules instead of just winging it. It's sold on trusted platforms and clearly lists its ingredients, which is a refreshing bit of transparency in an industry often shrouded in mystery and proprietary blends. To avoid getting a bottle of expensive chalk, make sure you buy directly from the official website or a reputable seller like Amazon. The internet is crawling with fake sellers who love nothing more than copying packaging to sell you low-quality garbage. Also, keep in mind that supplements aren't magic. While some people see massive changes, others might only feel a slight nudge in the right direction. We all have different biology, unfortunately. If you're in the UK, a bottle of 90 tablets will set you back about 10 pounds. Meanwhile, those in the US can expect to pay around $20 because apparently, crossing the Atlantic adds a significant freedom tax to your minerals. When you factor in shipping and taxes, the price fluctuates, but it remains a fairly affordable way to see if magnesium is the missing piece of your health puzzle. Overall, Prowise seems like a solid, legitimate choice for those looking to relax. Just remember to talk to a real doctor before starting any new regimen, especially if your health concerns are more serious than, "I feel a bit tired on Mondays." Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.